Hello traders and investors. Today I will cover my watch list for August 2021. The overall market has continued to trend higher on earnings despite the recent weakness in Chinese stocks. As negotiations to finalize the infrastructure spending plan happen in the Senate, we can see related stocks I have covered on my channel like X trend higher. We saw the CDC news push laboratory stocks like TMO past my expected target. The earnings beat pushed AMD past my target and above resistance as well. The stock market is full of money-making opportunities like these. I focus on finding stock plays with value entries during times of fear and uncertainty, while also making fast money on momentum trades using calculated risk management strategies. As a reminder, I am not a financial advisor. I am a retail trader who over the years has learned to find profitable trades. I share my trade ideas and methodology in hopes of demonstrating to new traders how to make consistent profit and to help experienced traders find trade ideas they may have missed. The first ticker I would like to cover is MMAT, or Metamaterials. Metamaterials has an exposure to the 5G, aerospace, and clean energy sector. Last month I mentioned MMAT was selling off after its merger, and I believed MMAT had a floor price of $3.07. The stock recently started showing signs of bottoming out with a low of $3.09 and a recent range high of $4.25. I will be looking to build a position at the range lows at $3.20 and sell into the $4 range high. My next play is ticker LCID. Lucid Motors is also coming out of a merger and dipping back into pre-merger lows. Because the business combination is recent, I use its previous SPAC, ticker CCIV, to calculate its range. Lucid Motors is on pace to begin delivering its Lucid Air luxury EV sedan late in 2021. According to the company, on July 13th, Lucid Motors showed more than 10,000 reservations for the Lucid Air. However, the merger detailed raising capital by increasing available shares. This could dilute the value of the stock if enough buying volume doesn't come in right away. I see LCID establishing support around the $20 to $22 range. I will take an initial position there and add if it builds a lower priced bottom. In my opinion, once the rest of the EV market begins to trend higher, this stock will clear my $50 price target. For a low float stock play, I like ticker symbol JAN, or JAN1. JAN1 is a biotechnology company focused on finding treatments for conditions that cause severe pain. JAN1 has an upcoming 6-month trial for its JAN101, or treatment for peripheral artery disease. In the wake of the US's opioid epidemic, JAN1 has been focusing on creating non-addictive treatments for conditions that cause severe pain. The stock has held a price range recently between $7 and $11.91. I will start building a position at $7 with anticipation of selling into the next run up to the $12 range. My last value play is ticker symbol AAL. American Airlines' primary business activity is providing scheduled transportation for passengers and cargo. It has continued to see weakness due to the Delta variant concerns. It has also been weighed down by the recent climb in fuel costs. I look at these as temporary concerns and more importantly as buying opportunities. I believe AAL has a floor price of about $16 with highs of $28. This is my reopening conviction play for the month. I will build a position at its current price and add to lower prices. I will sell into strength for profit. That does it for my watch list this month. Remember, everything expressed on this channel is research for my personal trades. In order to have conviction in your own trades, it helps to do your own due diligence. If deprecating factors arise in any given stock, I will cut my losses. Manage your own risks as you see fit. I hope you gain insight for your own trading as I share my personal trade ideas. If you find value in these videos, all I ask is that you hit that like button. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already and select the notifications bell. I will be posting more of my high probability trade ideas. Please share your trade ideas in the comments section. Together, we can find the trade, manage the risk to make the trade profit. Thanks for watching.